friends, welcome to SparkleBox, and I am back with another simple Mother's Day craft, and that is Mother's Day handprint card. Let's quickly have a look at it.
Acrylic colors, painting brush, A4 size sheet, pencil, eraser, scale, scissors and Fevicol.
Take a green painting color and paint it on your hand. I am using a green color. Kids, you can use your favorite color. Put your painted hand on the A4 sheet so that the impression comes on the sheet. Yellow and red color to make a small flower on the handprint impression. Mother's Day handprint card is ready. You can personalize your messages and write on it and present it to your mom. Isn't it simple and interesting, kids? So give it a try yourself and let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Bye-bye.